Hello golf cart enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into 10 of the worst golf cart upgrades that simply aren't worth the money. Whether you're looking to save on unnecessary expenses or keep your golf cart functioning smoothly, here are upgrades to avoid. However, before we proceed, do well to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss new videos and updates. Let's get started. 1. Oversized lift kits. Lift kits can look impressive, but oversized options are often impractical. They can make your cart harder to handle and less stable, especially on uneven terrain. Plus, bigger lift kits mean bigger tires, which can strain the motor, leading to higher maintenance costs over time. Unless you're navigating extreme off-road conditions, a standard lift or no lift at all is the better route. 2. Underbody LED lights. LED lights on the undercarriage may look cool for evening rides, but they offer little to no functional value, and local laws can even prohibit certain colors. The lights drain the battery faster, adding to replacement and maintenance costs. If lighting is a must, consider front and rear lights for safety instead. 3. Custom steering wheels. Custom steering wheels can cost hundreds of dollars, but typically don't improve handling or comfort. Some aftermarket options can make steering stiffer or compromise safety. Stick with the manufacturer's wheel. It's designed for maximum compatibility and comfort. 4. Sound systems with high wattage speakers. Large high wattage speakers can be tempting for music lovers, but they draw heavily on the battery. If you're riding for a full day, you'll likely find yourself needing frequent charges. A more efficient Bluetooth speaker can deliver sound without putting as much strain on your power supply. 5. Upholstered or customized seats. Luxurious seats can elevate your golf cart's aesthetics, but they often prove impractical for regular use. In wet or humid climates, the upholstery absorbs moisture, leading to discomfort, mildew, or faster wear and tear. Frequent cleaning and potential replacements add to long-term costs. Instead, consider weather-resistant seats made from marine-grade vinyl or similar materials, which provide comfort, durability, and low maintenance. 6. Chrome wheels or rims. Chrome wheels might add a flashy high-end look, but they're not suited for all environments. Humidity, rain, and road salts can accelerate rust and tarnish the shine, requiring constant cleaning and polishing to maintain their appearance. Neglect leads to corrosion, reducing their lifespan. Durable alternatives, such as powder-coated or aluminum wheels, resist rust, require less upkeep, and still enhance your cart's style. 7. Imported cheap accessories. While cheap imported accessories might save you money up front, they often come with hidden costs. These items frequently lack durability, are made from substandard materials, and may not be designed to fit your specific golf cart model. This can lead to frequent replacements, poor performance, and even compatibility issues. Additionally, sourcing replacement parts for these accessories can be difficult, especially for off-brand or generic items. Investing in reputable, high-quality accessories ensures reliability, longevity, and ease of maintenance. 8. Extended roofs with little support. Extended roofs offer extra shade and rain protection, but can create safety and durability concerns if not properly supported. Many models lack the necessary structural reinforcement, making them prone to instability, especially in windy conditions or at higher speeds. Over time, this can lead to cracks, sagging, or even roof failure. A standard-size roof with strong, reliable support systems provides better longevity and safety, while still offering adequate coverage for most needs. 9. Custom paint jobs. Custom paint jobs look great, but they can fade quickly with sun exposure and frequent use. They're also expensive to repair or touch up if scratched. Stick with factory paint options, as these are often more durable and designed for outdoor wear. 10. Incompatible lithium battery conversions. While lithium batteries are popular for their long lifespan, Converting carts not originally designed for lithium can lead to electrical issues and compatibility problems. These conversions can be costly and don't guarantee better performance. Ensure your cart is compatible or stick with high-quality traditional lead-acid batteries to avoid potential risks. And there you have it. 10 upgrades that are better skipped if you want to keep your cart in top shape and your wallet intact. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below on what upgrade you regret the most. Thank you for joining us for this episode. See you in the next video.